Metal. Hey everybody, it's Todd from Toji Racing. I hope everybody's well today. We're finally gonna unbox this car I've had covered up. This is one that I really wanted for a while, and just a quick little background on it. I really like Porsches a lot, and I kind of wanted a Porsche, and I found one that I liked because we were all getting GT cars. And of course, when I went to get it, it was back ordered, so I was like, whatever. So I picked up that Audi R8 I have in there, and that is a wonderful car. I love that car. But then, I was looking around for some stuff, and I found the Bluetooth, which we needed, and we finally have, and we're starting to learn how to use the Smart Racing app. But anyway, when I was looking for that, I found this car, and the other thing is, it's in a livery I really like. So anyway, let's undo it. So this is the Porsche 911 in the Gulf livery, which I just think is fantastic personally. Let's go ahead and get her out of there. I've been waiting so long. I love the light blue and the orange. Let me get this off of the platform here. This one is on there tight. Some of them are, some of them aren't. All right. Okay. Look at that beautiful blue car. This sucker has a lot of different advertisements on it. We've got the Gulf logo, and I'm not sure what that is there. Number 86, GTE, pole position. I'm not sure. We got the drivers' names up here on top for the drivers' team, which is very cool. We got Kurt on camera doing a great job. Here's our front. Really cool big ass headlights. Hopefully those are really bright on the track. More stuff on the front, of course. Dunlap, Silverbug, all the different sponsors. Then it's got your air effects on the bottom, and probably on the front there too, these things. And your driver, painted up not unlike the car. He's looking pretty darn cool. And then of course the back with your rear air effects and your more Gulf logos and a few more things in the exhaust. And your big wing, and you can actually see the roll cage inside there, which is pretty sweet. All right, let's take this out and test drive it. I've been wanting to do this for a while. Got people in the way. All right, let's set this car up real quick. Oops, wrong button. All right, speed should be 4, good. Braking at 3, that's what we like. Fuel should be at 3, good. Then we'll key it into the controller real quick. And we're off. Ooh, we deslotted right away. Mike's gonna help us out.
Having the same on his car.
Yeah, it sure does. Dang, I stink. Thank you, sir. Whoa. Thanks, Mike. Oh,
You're not going around it fast enough. I don't know.
I might not have. Yeah, I forgot to do my contacts. Remember what I said in
Yeah.
my other videos, kids. Always get your contacts where they need to be. You're losing power stuff. She's running good. No, I'm not falling off the track every lap. And it's fuel time already. Looking really good for a new car. All right, well, we get the idea, everybody. Thanks, everybody, for tuning in. We appreciate it. Top and Toji Racing out. Race on.